What it do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about TFVPM. So it's going to be a quick tutorial how to get started with this project. Okay, so essentially TFVPM, it's a project where you're going to select the the plan that you want to roll with. So you got 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 90 days, 120 days, and so on. Okay, guys. So you decided to roll with Forex exchange, digital currencies. Okay, so let me go over to the plans right here. So over here we can see the different plans, commodities, digital currency, stocks, what else we got here? Securities and so on. Okay, so we decided to roll with these plans, and then at the end of the plan, so for example, if you click on this one will roll for 60 days. After 60 days, the funds will be sent back to your account balance plus the interests. Okay, for example, in this case, you're gonna make 1.74 per day because it's gonna auto compound your rewards, and then at the end of the cycle, after 60 days, you'll make 164% of your initial investment. Okay, so essentially a 2x, okay, in 60 days. Right, so how to get started? So for example, the link's going to be down in the description. If you join the platform under my referral link, I'll appreciate that. And if you invest a minimum of 100 bucks um, on your account and invest, okay, I will do weekly giveaway. So usually it's every Sunday. So essentially, click on the link, you register, okay, and then you got the recharge. So recharge is where you're gonna send your funds into the platform. Okay, so you can either select TRC20 or ERC20. I use Binance to do this, but you can use any other exchange to send funds into this platform. Okay, so once you recharge, your balance will pop up right here. Over here is where you withdraw, over here is where you transfer. So if I want to do giveaways, is where I do those. Okay, binding, it's where you put your wallet to receive the funds when you are withdrawing. Okay, and essentially as that. Okay, so once you are up and running, okay, you come over here to this one right here, discovery. Okay, discovery, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plans. So these plans right here, they are fixed term plans. Okay, so that means there is no auto compounding. Whereas this one right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they all auto compound the funds, hence the higher ROI. Okay, but for example, let's say you want to go with this one, the first one, 1.3% daily, right? So you click on it and you can see the average daily APR, 1.3%, project cycle, 1 day, and total earnings, it's going to be equal to the daily ROI, okay? And it only lasts for 1 day. After 1 day, okay, you will receive the funds that you invested plus the 1.3%. Okay, and down here we got subscription details. So the minimum investment is 10 bucks. Okay, estimated income 1.3%, project period 24 hours, and fund type is combined. Okay, and you got the transaction fee, management fee, and all that. Okay, so that's for 24 hours. So this one right here is for 3 days. Obviously, you will earn a little bit more, but you also have to invest a little bit more. Okay, and it goes all the way to 15 days where you can make 23.85%. And I just finished one of these cycles I'm going to show you shortly. Okay, and we can see the minimum investment, projects, expected income, 15 days, etc. Okay, so you get the idea. Whereas this one's right here, this one you go for a longer period of time, but you also earn more. Okay, so 30 days you'll make 42%, and the minimum investment is 100 bucks. Bear in mind, this auto compounds your daily rewards. Okay, and it goes all the way to 120 days where you can make 336%. Okay, which is a lot, right? So 3x your investment, and then again, the minimum investment is 1,000 bucks. Okay, so let me go over to my funds over here. So on my homepage, you can see a few options right here, and the main one is over here, fund order. Okay, over here is where you can see your current plan or plans if you have lots of plans. Okay, so currently I have invested 157 bucks. Okay, so I invested yesterday, the 7th of August at 2:24 p.m. Okay, and this plan right here, or this amount of funds that I invested, will be redeemed at 14 of August 2023 at 2:24 p.m. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to receive my rewards, okay, from, sorry, I'm going to receive my investment plus the rewards, okay? And over here, we can see the income details from my past, excuse me. You're gonna be able to see the income details from my past trades. Okay, so we can see that I have started the project on the 8th of July. Well, actually, marks 30 days that I've been rolling with the project. Okay, I started on the 8th. Today is the 8th of August. Okay, I started with 500 bucks, tested out, went for one day, and then I decided to go for 7 days and then 15 days. Okay, and the 15 days was the last one, this one right here. So we can see, so let me open the report. We can see the report right here, daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, and over here, you can see that I invested 538 and the total income was 134. Okay, but obviously there are some fees to pay. Okay, so I paid 24 bucks in fee. So my total profit was 109 bucks. Okay, and let's go over here, transaction history. We can see everything that happened. Okay, so the 500 invested, the what I've earned, and you can see. Okay, so I've earned so I deposit 538. I've earned 648, so 100 and nearly 110 bucks. Okay, so I withdrew 500 bucks and decided to leave 157 to go again. Okay, and as you can see right here, so far, right? So far, I have received 199 bucks from this project, and it's still paying out. Okay, guys. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm happy with the project. Okay, and over here we can see. So once today comes to 2:24 p.m., the position income will be changed. Okay, because you will earn every day, but you're only going to be able to redeem at the end of the 7 day cycle. Okay, the reason why I didn't go for another 15 days is because you need uh 500 bucks. Okay, and just to show you my withdrawals, you can come over here to history and you can see that the withdrawals to work. Okay, so no hitting lies over here. Okay, guys, but as you know, profit uh, trading is risky, so only invest risk capital. Okay, community over here is where you get information about the project, how the project is doing, etc. Okay, markets, you can see the markets, some currencies. Okay, for exchange, commodities, and digital, and you can also do mock trading. Okay, so if you're gonna do some mock trading, you got some training, some funds available over here, 1,000 bucks, dummy funds. Okay, just pick a coin and roll with it. All right. And essentially, that's that. This project is not complicated. Anyone can easily understand the project. Okay, so that being said, guys, TFVPM still up and running, still doing its thing, and I'm still rolling with the project. Okay, guys. So if you're gonna join the project under my referral link and you deposit a minimum of 100 bucks, every Sunday I will do giveaways to the active members only. Okay. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.